Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video all about skincare for the man in your life. I have been trying to get my husband Jay into skincare for so long, and as someone who absolutely loves a good skincare routine, I was shocked at how much pushback I got from Jay to doing and trying a skincare routine. He's a very particular man that does not like the feeling of things on his face. He doesn't like scents. He's very sensitive to scents and sometimes will get reactions to them. So it was such a hurdle to try and get him to a skincare routine that he would actually use and like and do every single day. I cannot wait to share the little video of him doing his 3-step skincare routine. So super simple, super easy, and also very effective. So definitely the less is more approach. So I'm going to be sharing his little skincare routine with Blu Atlas. Blu Atlas is a premium skincare brand for the modern man. It is a unisex brand, like the body products, the shampoos, conditioners that I even use, but definitely catered towards men, and I cannot wait to share the routine with you all. So Blu Atlas has quite a few different products, from body care to fragrance to skincare products. They have some signature scents as well as fragrance free, which is absolutely incredible for anybody who does not like fragrance in their products. For example, Jay does not like fragrance in his products, but he's also very sensitive to fragrance. So it happens to irritate his skin very easily if there is any fragrance in a product. They pretty much have everything in a skincare routine. For example, a facial cleanser, an exfoliating scrub, they have an eye stick, they have a shaving cream, a face mask, a face moisturizer, a vitamin C serum, a beard oil, and an aftershave. I felt like all that was a little too much just to start with him off the bat, but we did start with the 3 basics, which are the face cleanser to clean his face, the eye stick for his under eyes, and then a face cream just to help moisturize the skin and create a bit of a barrier with the environment. His first step started with the facial cleanser, and the facial cleanser is the Volcanic Ash face cleanser. This is a liquid kind of gel cleanser. It does come in 3 different scents. You have the coconut apricot, the classic scent, and then the fragrance free, which is the one that he used and tried.
Right. Do you know what's actually nice about this is it says fragrance free and it's actually fragrance free.
How does your face feel? Clean?
Yeah, it feels clean. I like that it does. I can't smell it, right? So there's no smell.
Yeah,
which is
exactly.
Nice. I don't like stuff that I can smell on me after I use it.
Yeah.
Like, it's not, like it's not something that's supposed to smell like cologne or whatever.
Yeah.
There's nothing worse than like getting out of the shower and you still smell like soap.
And you know what the benefits of this are? So
No, I don't.
It's first going to be like exfoliating. So it's going to help kind of like smooth out your skin.
It feels soft.
But it also has lactobacillus ferment in it, so it's actually going to help. It's a type of probiotic, so it helps to balance your skin's microbiome. So like your gut, your skin has a microbiome as well, which helps protect your skin from environmental factors like smoke, smog, pollution, all that stuff. So it's actually really good for that. And I like the size of it too, because this is super easy to travel with. The cleanser itself is called Volcanic Ash. It actually does have volcanic ash as one of its ingredients, which is a very absorbent ingredient to help kind of draw out excess oil, which I find men tend to lean a little bit more oily prone. It also has lactobacillus ferment. I think it's super effective at helping to balance the pH of the skin, helping to create an even and like happy microbiome of the skin, because the skin does have microbiome. I did have to teach him a few steps and a few kind of skincare basics 101. For example, how you apply your skincare products from thinnest to thickest consistency. So we went with the eye stick next, and then eye stick is a like liquid roll-on stick, which is absolutely amazing because it is a travel friendly and also super convenient. And I think when you're doing men's skincare who are super reluctant to skincare, convenience is key. So he went in with the eye stick, and the eye stick is automatically fragrance free, which I think is super important for the delicate eye area. I think it's much more sensitive than the rest of our skin, so fragrance free is always my preference. And the eye stick has algae extract, vitamin C, and caffeine to help kind of wake up the eye. I find that he does have quite tired under eyes, and the stainless steel roller ball is cooling and super refreshing, and he definitely liked that experience. Okay, so the next step. So typically you have your moisturizer and your eye cream. Your eye cream is in a stick formula, so I think it's more of like a liquid. So you're gonna want to apply thinnest to thickest. So you're actually gonna apply this first, and I think this is actually super convenient because it's a roll-on. You don't have to get your fingers dirty. You literally just like roll it under your eyes, and it has the stainless steel ball, which is awesome if you have like tired eyes because it's gonna feel really nice and cooling. So basically just your your eye sockets is where you're going to massage it.
Okay. My eyes all around?
No, just like right here.
Just the bottom, okay. I don't know if it's doing anything. Oh, there.
Yeah, sometimes you have to like work it in. Does it feel cooling?
It's very cold.
The very last product in his skincare routine, the kind of topper of everything and the thickest consistency, was the face cream. Again, the face cream does come in a fragrance version. He did get the fragrance free. The face moisturizer is not only going to target moisturization and hydration, but it also is going to give you some of those anti-aging benefits with the vitamin C. And vitamin C is one of those ingredients that I absolutely love. I think everybody should use and be on. It's a high potency antioxidant, it's anti-aging. It's just so incredible. Give him like a 2-in-1 moisturizer that will give him the vitamin C when I know he's probably not going to want to introduce the vitamin C serum in just yet. This is the perfect kind of happy medium for him. Moisturizer itself does have mango seed butter as one of the highlight ingredients and seaweed extract. Seaweed extract along with vitamin C are both high potency antioxidants to help kind of fight off free radical damage from the pollution, smog, sun, etc., which is really great for helping to give those anti-aging benefits. And with those super hydrating ingredients like the mango seed butter to really nourish the skin and kind of create that little bit of a barrier to, again, protect the skin. I think with anti-aging for men, there's a combination of protection against environmental factors as well as hydration to kind of protect the skin barrier, and some active ingredients like the vitamin C to really boost those anti-aging benefits. Okay, so our very last step is going to be moisturizer. And I think this is probably going to be the trickiest part for you because you don't like the sensation of like face masks, moisturizer on your face. I've tried to get him to use other moisturizers and that's been really challenging for him. Let's try this.
All right. Scoop out a dime-sized amount, man.
I would always do more, like less is more.
Lightly rub it into your face and neck. Run out. I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to use. I think that's good though. It's giving a lot of. It dries really fast.
That's good.
Yeah.
So the face moisturizer is really great because it's also anti-aging, so it's going to give you those anti-aging benefits like the vitamin C in it. That's a really amazing skincare product that I personally love using on my face for anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, and it's a great antioxidant for like sun protection, for example. And it's also supposed to be really targeted for hydrating your skin. So when you have like flaky, drier skin in, let's say, the winter, or for someone who does a lot of sports outside in the summertime, your skin gets super dry from sun exposure. So this will be a great time to apply this. Blu Atlas is vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and synthetic fragrance-free. It's also made in the US. You also can take a quiz to help base your skincare routine around your skincare concerns, your skin type, which I think is really great. Kind of did a quiz for Jay because I knew he wasn't gonna do it himself, but let's say you have a man in your life that really does want to start a skincare routine, isn't sure where to start, it can be super overwhelming. So doing a skincare quiz to address your skin type, your skin concerns, your skin goals is going to help curate a skincare routine for them. When I did the skincare routine for Jay, there was a couple other suggestions that he just wasn't quite ready to integrate into his routine yet. So definitely starting with the basics I think is my #1 tip, and then starting to introduce a couple other complementary products into the routine. Once they kind of get a hang of it, maybe once they start getting into skincare and actually enjoying the self-care aspect of doing their skincare, I think that's when you can kind of toss in another product if you are looking at maybe expanding the routine to more than just like a simple cleanser moisturizer, and eye cream. I'm very excited for him to continue his skincare routine, as is he, and to maybe start to integrate a few more products into his skincare routine if he really gets the hang of it. Now, I will have all the products that he used in the description down below, but we'll also have the link to Blu Atlas so you can search all the other products that they have available, as well as the link to the quiz so that you can do the quiz maybe with your husband, boyfriend, partner, dad, brother. Send it to them, have them do their routine, have them do the quiz. It's also a really great like birthday gift, Father's Day gift, or Christmas gift if you're looking at something as a gift at that time of the year, whatever time of year you're watching this video. Is this routine simple enough for you to do daily, or do you feel like you would opt out of a step? Like, how do you feel about?
I think I don't know. I feel like it's simple enough to do daily for sure. I don't know if I would prioritize it daily for me. I think it would be more of like if I have time or if I feel like I need it. But it's easy enough. It's only taking like 5 minutes, and we're filming, so it's taking longer than it actually would take me to do it.
Is this as bad as you envision skincare to be?
No.
So I feel like if you have a man in your life, your husband, your partner, boyfriend, brother, dad, who you are trying to get into skincare but is having a really hard time kind of coming around to the idea of the skincare routine, especially maybe looking at your products on the shelf, I think this is a super introductory.
Well, I see what you do and I'm like, this I can't do this.
Exactly. This is super introductory. And I think because there's so many ingredients, like it's very multi-purposeful, each product, that you don't have to do like a 7-step routine. It's like, this is your anti-aging, this is your moisturizer, and I think this is super cooling, so it's a little bit of self-care in the morning, especially if you're feeling
nice
fatigued.
in the summer.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, it would feel good in summer, like walk outside when it's humid.
And he is notorious for using hotel cleansers, body washes on his face, and then not following up with any moisturizer. So
it's convenient.
It's convenient, but now you have a routine that is travel appropriate, and something that he can use every single day. Well, there you go. Here is his 3-step, super simple, super easy, but also like packs a punch skincare routine. And if you guys have any questions, comment down below and we'll be sure to answer those questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.